Biochemistry of iron. Iron is essential in small quantities for both plants and animals. However, it is in larger quantities found to be toxic. Iron is the most widespread of the transition metal in living systems, and it is involved in several different processes. So what is the importance or what is the biochemistry of iron is that we can say that iron acts as an oxygen carrier in the blood of mammals, birds and fish, and that is in the form of hemoglobin. Iron is acting as an oxygen carrier in the blood of mammals, birds and fish in the form of hemoglobin. Secondly, iron is acting as oxygen storage, or iron is required for oxygen storage in muscle tissues, and oxygen storage is possible in the form of myoglobin. Okay, iron is present in myoglobin, and that is and that is the reason why you can store oxygen in the muscles. Thirdly, we have the electron carrier. So these iron can act as electron carrier in plants, animals and bacteria, and these are in the form of cytochromes. And for electron transfer in plants and bacteria, and that is in the form of ferredoxins. Okay. Next we can say iron can act as storage and scavenging of iron in metals. Okay, so storage and scavenging of iron in animals can be made with the help of ferritin, transferrin and hemosiderin. Okay, so ferritin, transferrin and hemosiderin will be helping out in the storage and scavenging of iron in animals. Next we have the iron can act as a nitrogenase. It has got a role in the nitrogenase. Nitrogenase means it is the enzyme that is required for the fixation of dinitrogen. Okay, and next we have as a part of number of other enzymes like aldehyde oxidase, catalase, peroxidase, succinic dehydrogenase. For all these things we require iron. And another thing is that iron is not only involved in the enormous range of functions, it is also found in the spectrum of life from bacteria to man, to all kind of animals, to all kind of living beings. You can see the presence of iron. It can start from the very small bacteria to even the human beings. And iron has two oxidation state. Okay, we can say that iron has got two oxidation state, which is +2 oxidation state and the +3 oxidation state. That is, we say that iron 2 plus and iron 3 plus. Okay, Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. So it has got two oxidation state. Okay, Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus, and iron has there is a ferrous and the ferric form. And the redox reaction involving interconversion of these oxidation state are important in the functions of iron containing proteins and enzymes. So we can say that iron, there will be reduction and oxidation of iron, that is in the ferrous and ferric form. Okay, and that is again important in the biological system.